When was the order for the change of Qibla received? 2. AH. How many Anbiya was sent by Allah to mankind? Approximately 1,24,000. How did Allah save Hazrat Isa alayhi salam? Was he killed on the cross? Allah saved him by taking him up to the heavens, and he was not killed on the cross. What were the names of the Khulafa'i Rashideen? First, Hazrat Abu Bakr Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Second, Hazrat Omar Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Third, Hazrat Osman Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Fourth, Hazrat Ali Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Who was the first child who embraced Islam? Hazrat Ali Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Who was the guardian of Hazrat Maryam alayhi salam? Hazrat Zakaria alayhi salam. What are the names of the angels in charge of revelations, death, hell? Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam, Hazrat Israel alayhi salam, Hazrat Malik alayhi salam. Can a person claim to be a Nabi in this day and age? No. Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the last Nabi of Allah, and there will be no other Nabi after him. When will Qiyamah take place? Nobody knows except Allah. Is being obedient to the parents obligatory in Islam? Yes. What will be the first question to be asked on the Day of Judgment? About prayer. When did the Islamic calendar begin? From the date of Hijrah, migration from Mecca to Medina. Name the first month of the Islamic calendar. Month of Muharram. Name the last month of the Islamic calendar. Zul Hijjah.